Well, hello everybody. Wanted to give an update on my vehicle situation. A lot of you know I sold my black 2015 Silverado a couple of months ago, and I shopped around. Trucks are expensive, and this is a truck that I could afford. Found it at Ed Sherlin. This is a 25 Ford F-150 STX. From what I understand, this is a step above the base model truck that they offer. And it came completely stock. Really no options, but on this particular vehicle, options on this thing was as much as what was on my LTZ. It's actually got more on it than the LTZ did. And this is a basically a base model truck. And it came with 5.0 Coyote V8, 400 horsepower and 410 foot-pounds of torque. I did do the suspension kit. I lowered it 3 inches in the front and 5 in the back, and I put on the Ford Performance 22x10 wheels for the correct spacing, you know, Ford wheel spacing. Those are not, quote, aftermarket, unquote, wheels. They're Ford wheels. The interior isn't leather, but it is nice. It's a black, sort of a black fabric, and it's got the big screen and the digital dash, and it has the lane keep assist driving, so you can't run off the road if you fall asleep. It gives you the warning. The stereo in it's awesome. It's got power windows, air conditioning, power steering. It has the flip up seats in the back, and they're really nice, comfortable seats. Probably some of the most comfortable seats I've ever sat in. Air conditioning in the rear. It's got a power port in the rear. Bucket seats. All kind of cool little items on it. These are the Ford Performance wheels, gloss black, and has a tow package. And it's got built-in tie downs in the bed. These little stowaway compartments there. Really quiet, smooth Cadillac style ride. Never been a Ford truck fan, but you know, things change, I guess, to the STX. Not a real big fan of this green stuff right here, but that's what it came with. And this is the driver's side. You see, it's got that big screen there, and I did put a Flowmaster 10 on it so it would sound good. Let's see if I can crank it for you. Sounds like a Mustang. It's a stock exhaust pipe. It's just got the muffler change on it. It still has the resonator and the catalytic converter, so none of that stuff's been changed. Factory tinted windows on the back. So I'm real proud of it. It has the Apple CarPlay, all kind of stuff, navigation. This is on a base truck. Just thought I'd let everybody know what I've been up to lately, vehicle wise. Even the little honeybee likes it. Get out of here, honeybee. There you have it. It's just a effing white truck is all it is. Just an old effing white truck. Talk to you later.